extend it, but that is something that we're not going to proceed with. The other thing I do need to do before we get to the other aspect of this case is, I thought about this for a long time, and on behalf of the justice system, preservation of the independence of the judiciary in the spirit of transparency and to comply with the dictates of Ohio Code of Judicial Conduct, I'm going to state the following. In no way, shape, or form is this to be held in any way against Ms. Hunter, but I want to point out for the last several weeks, I have received at my home, not here in the courthouse, at my home, 45 postcards from people, some of them signed, a few, some of them with return addresses, a few, but most of them anonymous. So when my wife got the mail, she looks at them, of course, she becomes concerned. I'm not going to read them all, obviously, but again, in complying with what I think is law, and so no other judge should go through what I've gone through with these Facebook postings by certain people and whatever, okay? I'm just going to put a couple of these on the record. 7 of them start off with, I am a registered voter, okay? What is that supposed to mean? Well, whatever. I'm a registered voter and I believe all charges should be dropped against Judge Tracy Hunter. I'm a registered voter who stands and supports Judge Tracy Hunter. Drop all charges against Ms. Hunter and exonerate her now. Dear Judge Dinkelacker, please exonerate Judge Hunter of the charge she was falsely accused of. I'm a registered voter in Hamilton County. Judge Dinkelacker, exonerate Judge Hunter now. Drop all charges, restore her good name. I am a taxpayer and a registered voter. I'm a registered voter. Please let Tracy Hunter. She is innocent of all charges. As a concerned citizen and a registered voter, I urge you to exonerate Judge Tracy Hunter now. I'm a registered voter in Ohio, and I'm asking that you release Tracy Hunter of all charges. Exonerate Judge Tracy Hunter now. Judge Dinkelacker, Judge Tracy Hunter needs to be exonerated now. Do not delay. Cincinnati needs her to be restored right away. Hello, Judge Dinkelacker. I'm asking you to exonerate the Honorable Tracy Hunter from all charges at this time. If you're not able to see that she has suffered enough, I don't understand the reasoning for the time that this issue is taken. You are crucify her for making laws fair for all. Exonerate Honorable Judge Tracy Hunter. Free Judge Tracy Hunter. Would you like to be the judge that goes down in history trying to destroy someone who is doing the right thing, who is elected to serve public, especially juvenile court? Exonerate now. In the midst of this turmoil due to the injustice towards Judge Hunter, it is hoped that you who are so determined to jail her to exonerate this lady. The city is going to change according to the jail outcome. Dear sir, I do not know your religious preference, but just as the good Lord gave you a favor and spared your life as well as keeping you from incarceration when you killed that African-American woman on Central Parkway, thank you very much, please do something with Judge Hunter. You are a fraud. Thank you for your time. Hamilton County taxpayer. Judge Dinkelacker, we demand you drop the charges of Judge Tracy Hunter. Do it now. Exonerate Judge Tracy Hunter now. Economic boycott of Cincinnati until Judge Hunter is exonerated now. Judge Dinkelacker, bring back justice for Judge Tracy Hunter. Black judges matter. She made an important difference for our children. Exonerate her now. Dear Honorable Dinkelacker, remember you killed someone and your privilege got you off. No, I do. This came to my house, okay? See, well, you could make things right by taking your foot off the neck of former Judge Hunter, a holy woman. There are bogus claims, a bogus charge for which he is convicted. How is it you get 0 jail time, no consequence for killing someone, and Pastor Hunter loses her good name and does jail time? God bless America. Hamilton County taxpayer. And the last one I'll read. Honorable Judge Dinkelacker, boy, that is used. Perhaps perhaps do one good thing before you meet the Maker in the sky. Since you are a killer, maybe doing something right for points will help your eternal judgment. exonerate Pastor Hunter and former Judge Tracy Hunter. I know you will not, but you will not be able to tell your white Jesus that you were not asked. Sincerely, Cincinnati taxpayer.
Your Honor, could I just be heard very, very briefly
No.
on that?
Having said that, I now refer to Rule 2.4 of the Ohio Code of Judicial Conduct, external influences on judicial conduct. A judge shall not be swayed by public clamor or fear of criticism. B, a judge shall not permit family, social, political, financial, or other interests or relationships to influence the judge's conduct or judgment. And C, a judge shall not convey or permit others to convey the impression that any person or organization is in the position to influence the judge. Having said that, I say to the organizer that did that, and obviously it's organized because these will be made for public record. Every one of them has a label addressed to Judge Dinkelacker at my house. The stamps are all the same. So somebody organized that for whatever reason. But I just hope no judge ever has to go through that. But be that as it may, we'll move on. I will point out that I will say to the organizer and some of the people that wrote those postcards, I don't think some of them were very Christian, but that's the way it goes. I will say to them, though, if the attempt was to intimidate me in any way, that has flat out failed. Okay? I will never, ever, ever bow to that type of pressure, veiled threats, vicious comments, lies about me, or anything else. I've been a judge for 28 years, and for the first time that I do something because somebody has threatened me or pressured me to do something, it's the last time I do it, because I'll never be a judge. I don't want to be a judge anymore. I will not violate my oath.